Yeah, you probably were better off with a mandolin. For this Amanda guy.
I had a mandolin. We just gave it away. But it was from Pampered Chef. Remember that?
That's Daddy.
I should have used
Well,
you when
you-
I made bread too.
Anything with chopping?
Shopping. Nikki.
I'm going to grab them in a minute.
Nikki.
These are the Gino pizza rolls.
That's what it is.
Gino!
Gino pizza rolls.
Gino, you didn't contribute. John, what'd you contribute?
Whisk experiment.
Okay. Just wait for the
Sweet pumpkins.
All right. They'll be doing that in
And they tried all kinds of different mixes, VHS, and smoky and
Okay.
You got it on low with them.
This order filled and this customer can have this one filled and it can't fill this one.
See
I
why?
remember you saying it was like,
Other
it's
product.
like,
No?
Rachel was calling and saying, hey, can we accept, we would love to fill your order, but we
These are ready.
We dropped
forced on rationing our
Yeah.
long-term customers.
at the end of
He likes them. Nico, what are you doing? Oh, you got Paul. Hello.
raw materials.
Oh, that's my thing.
Yeah. It's
All right, then you're not there. No. I'm not doing a puzzle. No.
in 10 years from now, with all the people that have signed gloves, that capacity is, there's, it's gonna way outpace demand. Unless obviously, or crazy.
Oh, do you remote?
Wyatt, where's your water?
Let's get Wyatt's water.
It's by Rachel.
Oh, I have it.
Is that water or is there apple juice?
Looks like apple.
There's some juice in there.
Okay.
This is yours.
We can't get him to drink water, and it's like gotten to a
Wyatt, you want to sit with Nikki?
problem. So we put like a little bit of juice on the bottom.
That's not so bad.
Yeah,
That's a good.
Oh, I need to get a cut.
Need help?
Gorgeous.
You need help?
Thank you.
Here, sit down.
He was
Yeah.
home from school with still a full cup of water.
Yeah, I'm gonna scoot you over. No, you can't eat all of it.
Comment on our app and said,
Why? You wanna sit next to Nikki?
Today, he's dry a couple times. They're like, we're just a little concerned he's not drinking enough. So I said, okay, let me add a little bit of juice every day. And then as soon as I did that, the next day he comes home with a whole big juice. I was like, okay, you know what? If we have to put an ounce of juice in there, not a big deal. Right?
Go away, darling. Yulia. You come.
Dancing.
Yeah, see if you can get both of them together, John. I don't really have one. It's maybe. No, it's my pan. Yeah, see, they
To your pan, it's by the banana.
by the banana.
Yeah, they're perfect. They're so even.
Wyatt.
Come here, buddy.
That's nice.
We're gonna
Do you like the coloring? What's wrong with the coloring?
No, I was saying the green, the green and the red are pretty light.
Yeah,
I think they could have been redder or
I told
greener.
I said you could taste food coloring.
more food coloring.
No, it's fine. The food coloring doesn't do anything.
Uh-oh.
But I tell you, I judge based on colors. If the middle is yellow, it's not going to be a good cookie.
Well,
That's how I figure.
they're yellow because they don't separate the eggs.
And then that's how I know.
This one's white, right?
Yes, because they separated the eggs. Yes.
Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear grandmama. Happy birthday to you.
Now you have to do
No,
the
you don't
COVID.
blow it.
She's gonna blow
The
You gotta go like
COVID.
this.
Can you help her blow the candles?
can. Okay.
Just blow.
Take care.